Your semester just started and you want to improve or apply your knowledge in statics? With RFEM 6, you have a capable structural analysis program that can calculate and design 2D and 3D structures. My name is Diego, and I would like to invite you to bring your skills to a higher level through a free online training for students in RFEM 6. During our 6 online sessions, you will develop a more efficient workflow in the analysis and design of combined shell and frame structures through a complete introduction in the program with the help of practice-relevant examples. For optimal learning, we recommend having a second screen and a reliable internet connection. The pace is set so that everyone can model and calculate everything together with the presenter. To make learning more interactive, a small test is given at the end of each chapter, so you can always put your knowledge to the test. Of course, there is always the possibility of asking questions, which will be answered at the end of each chapter. We, at Dlubal Software, look forward to learning with you that statics make fun.